how to increase or decrease phone calls ringtone volume on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the phone application. Next, tap on the More button. Then we go down and tap on Settings. Now in Call Settings, go down and tap on Call Alerts and Ringtone. After that, tap on Ringtone. And here at the top, in the ringtone volume, drag on the slider bar to the left or to the right to decrease or increase the ringtone volume sound. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now during the call, you can also change the volume by pressing on the volume up or volume down key. And here, if you tap on the More button in this volume bar, you can also change the volume of your call as well. So here, tap on More, and from here you can also change the ringtone volume. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.